Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make Breaking Bad Blue Sky Rock Candy apples. As some of you might know, I made a video a long time ago where I had bought these at Meadowbrook Mall in FYE for about, I think maybe about $5 or $6. Maybe, I think they were like $4.99, something like that. But yeah, this is official Breaking Bad Blue Sky Rock Candy, and I'm going to use them to make candy apples. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you guys will know that The Cooking Goth posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and some comments, and do that all over and over again, please. Also, if you'd like to support this channel, there is a link in the description to my PayPal. I got this recipe from delish.com. And now here is what you're gonna need. 1 pack of Breaking Bad Blue Sky Rock Candy. 3/4 of a cup of water. Lollipop sticks. About 3 or 4 Granny Smith apples. 2 cups of granulated sugar. 1/2 cup of light corn syrup. Parchment paper. A pan and a baking sheet. Non-stick cooking spray. A little bit of royal blue food coloring. And you can't do this without a candy thermometer. First, shove your lollipop sticks into your apples until they fit snugly. Next, mix your sugar, your water, your corn syrup, and your food coloring together until fully combined. Then, on medium-high heat, boil your mixture to 300 degrees while continuously stirring. Lastly and fastly, dunk and cover your apples and then set them on your parchment-lined, greased-up baking sheet to cool down. Here's the finished product. Yeah, as you can see, I got a little bit too much on mine, but this is my first time making candy apples, I think, maybe, I don't know. I think I tried and failed like forever ago, but let's go ahead and take a bite. I did it. I think I did it. I really did it. I really did it. Yeah. I've been out with this all night, so. Yeah. But that's all I got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say, just have fun with it. Whether you're making candy apples, just have fun with it. Whether you're trying to make people laugh, just have fun with it. But have a great night or great morning, everyone. You guys could probably hear the rooster crowing. And by the way, guys, don't do drugs. This was just a joke.